Hey there, my name is Demitri from Knack, and let's talk about filtering page views in your Knack app. It's a very simple way to control what each user sees, making everything cleaner and more secure. I'm going to show you how to quickly set this up. Filtering page views is one of the best ways to make your Knack app more user-friendly and secure. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to ensure each user only sees what they need. Let's jump into it and see how it's done. First, we'll cover how to secure a page in Knack. This is important because it ensures only the right people see the right data. Creating a secure page is the first step in making sure only the right users have access to specific information. Let's get started. First, you'll click on the Pages tab, and then in the upper right-hand corner, click on Add Page. Select Login Page from the options. This ensures that users need to log in to access the page, providing an initial layer of security. Now you can go to the Page Permission settings. Here, you can choose which roles can access this page. For example, you might only want admins to view this page. You can give your page a name and title that reflects its purpose, making it easier to organize within your app. Lastly, to make this page accessible, add it to the main menu by clicking Add to Menu, and then select the appropriate drop-down location where users can find it. Next, we're going to show you how to add and customize views. This step makes sure users interact with data in a way that's meaningful to them. Once your page is secured, the next step is to set up a view that shows the data in the format that best suits your needs. This could be a table, a list, or even a dashboard. First, let's go back to the Pages section. Select the page you created and then click the Add View button in the top right corner. For this tutorial, we'll use a grid view because it's great for displaying data in a table format, which is useful for lists like customer data. Once the view is added, you can start customizing it, choose the data fields you want to display, or even add a form. And you can consider adding links that allow users to edit records or view more detailed information. After customizing the view, you can save your changes and preview the page to see how the data is displayed. As you can see right here, I have the ability to add a maintenance request very easily, select various equipment, maintenance technicians, statuses, and any other fields that I'd like inside the form. Now let's dive into how to filter data in your views. Filters make sure users only see the most relevant information, keeping their focus where it needs to be. Filtering is what really brings personalization to your Knack app. Within the right filters, you can make sure that each user only sees what they need to see. In the view settings, navigate to the data source panel on the left side. Here you can start by filtering the data based on its source. You can click Add Filters to begin creating your filter conditions. You can filter by various criteria, such as specific fields in your table, and to filter data so that users only see their own records, you can add a filter where user ID equals the logged in user's ID. This is a powerful way to personalize the experience. For dynamic filtering, add a filter menu that allows users to filter based on criteria like status or date range. You can also apply static filters that automatically include or exclude data, such as only showing records where status equals active. Finally, you can add a search filter to let users refine their data by entering specific search terms. Configure the search fields so that users can easily find the information they need. And that's it. Filtering views in Knack is a simple but powerful way to make your app more user-friendly and secure. Go ahead and try these steps in your app to make sure everyone gets the most relevant data. If you found this useful, hit subscribe for more Knack tips. And don't forget to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.